Are you looking for the best 24-inch double wall oven? In this video, we will break down the top 4 24-inch double wall oven on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. GEJRP 28 SKSS. The GEJRP 28 SKSS is the perfect combination of style, performance, and convenience. The upper oven cavity can be cleaned without the need for scrubbing, thanks to its self-clean feature. This 24-inch wall oven has electronic touchpads that are easy to operate and keep clean. The interior surface is made from a durable porcelain enamel that resists stains and cleans easily. Also featuring a clear window, you can monitor your food while it cooks through the glass door. The black glass interior makes it easy to monitor food as it cooks, and the convection setting allows you to cook faster with even results. It has 5.4 cubic feet of usable space with 2 racks in each compartment. It is available in stainless steel, white, or black color options and comes with a 1-year limited warranty, which includes all parts and labor for repair or replacement if the product does not perform as it was designed to do under normal use. At number 2. GASLAND Chef ES606MB. With this single in-wall oven, its door is black, made of 3-layer tempered glass that can safely and effectively vaporize steam at high temperatures. The handle consists of aluminum alloy, and the oven door is removable for easy maintenance. With a capacity of 240 V 60 Hz, this electric grill can provide power with a maximum capacity of 2000 W. In addition, it has 6 different working modes, including conventional, grill, heating, oven light, cooling fan, time, and temperature control buttons. The size of this product is 24 inches, which may be the right choice for your kitchen, and 5-layer shelves with grills and baking trays. Especially when buying this wall oven, it has prepared you with a baking tray, a grill, and gloves in the package. At number 3. GEJRP 28 BJBB. The GE 24-inch built-in double wall oven is a great option because it has a space for any and all types of food. And don't let those electronic controls intimidate you. They are easy to use with just the touch of one button. So order now and leave your kitchen worries behind. With their elegant and stylish GEJRP 28 BJBB electric double wall oven, you won't have to worry about product size with a spacious 5.4 cu. Foot total capacity for any size dish. Built-in ensures versatility in whichever style of kitchen your place may be, as standard counter space is replaced by the oven itself along with easy operation from the electronic oven controls. Electronic pads on the control panel are easy to operate with just a touch. And don't underestimate GE's commitment to quality. They only use top-notch materials and rigorous testing processes for superior consumer satisfaction every time. At number 4. Empava 24. With 2 years US-based manufacturer limited warranty, doubles the usual industry warranty for an exceptional quality gas wall oven. Compatible to install above any Empava 24 inches, 30 inches. Gas cooktops and induction cooktops. Easily cook large meals with 2.3 cubic foot capacity. Heavy-duty professional style racks are sturdy and durable. Black ceramic interior offers a premium look and feel. Broil element to brown your favorite desserts and veggies. The hidden heating elements makes cleaning your oven easy. Keep warm feature lets your meals stay warm and ready to serve. Convection cooking cook foods faster that distributes hot air evenly over, under, and around food so dinner is ready when they are. Preheat helps remove cold spots to help ensure even baking because the entire oven, including the walls and racks, are heated to the correct temperature. Come with 5-layer shelf to place the grill grate and the baking tray. The large oven window and halogen lighting offers a clear and bright interior, minimizing the need to open the door to check progress, lets you easily view the status of your dish. The ergonomic control knobs are designed for simplicity and ease. Built-in timer, up to 120 minutes max, and temperature, up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit max, help you to cook perfectly and accurately. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.